Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some awesome features in the latest version of Windows 10. Now, to learn more, just stick around. First on the list, we have what we call Arrow Shake. Now, if you have a cluster of programs or documents open on your machine and you just want to hide each and every one of them, first, just grab hold of any of these programs, then just shake it. Automatically, it hides each and every program open on your desktop. To bring everything back to normal, again, just hold this program, then shake it again. Everything returns to normal. Second on the list, we have what we call the customized way of shutting down your Windows. To enable this feature in Windows 10, what you do, first, navigate to your desktop, create a new shortcut. And that is, right click on it, on the screen, on an empty space, new shortcut, and in the empty bar you see there, just put in this code. I'll leave this code in the video description for you to be able to copy it. When you are done, just follow the prompt. That is all. This new program will be created on your desktop. Now, to enable this, just double click on this program and see what happens. Automatically, it brings up this slide menu for you. Next on the list, we have the Emoji Keyboard in Windows 10. Just hold the Windows key and press the period key or the full stop button. This automatically pops up the Emoji Keyboard in Windows 10.